Hey everyone, it's Randall and we are back at Home Depot looking for some deals. Okay guys, first up we have the Husky 56 5-drawer mobile workbench. Was $628, now $598. They had 4 of these in red. I was impressed with them. They're not top of the line, but they're not bad at all. And this bottom drawer was a big 9-inch deep bottom drawer. You could really put a lot of stuff in there. Next up, we have the Dewalt 165 PSI Compressor Combo Kit. Was $239, now $199. You're going to get a 6-gallon pancake compressor, 165 max PSI. You're going to get a 300 max 1/4 inch airline, and you're going to get an 18 gauge brad nailer. Next, we have the Dewalt 20 volt max lithium cordless combo kit, $399. It's a 4-tool kit. You're going to get the oscillating tool, the impact driver, the hammer drill, and the circular saw. You'll also get 2 batteries, a carrying case, and the charger is included. It's a pretty good deal here. You could probably beat it at the Black Friday though. Next we have the rigid 10-inch dual bevel miter saw. Was $219, now $199. I don't have any rigid tools, but they do look like they're well made, and if you have any out there and you're watching this video, please drop a comment and let us know your thoughts on them. We would appreciate that. Next up, we have the rigid 12-inch sliding miter saw. Was $399, now $329. This thing is a beast. It is huge. I was really impressed with it. I've never got to use one, but I would like to try. It looks really well made. Again, if you want to drop some comments on this, please do. We would appreciate any kind of feedback on the rigid tools. Next, we have a 12 amp corded 6.5 inch circular saw by Rigid for $49.97. Looks like a pretty good deal. Then we have a Rigid 18 volt 18 gauge brad nailer with clean drive technology. Was $199, now $179. Here we have an 18 volt brushless 1/2 inch hammer drill driver, tool only, by Rigid. Was $139, now $119. Here we have a Makita 18 volt subcompact rotary hammer, tool only. Was $229, now low price of $149. And here we have a Makita 18 volt subcompact 3/8 drive impact wrench. This is tool only, no battery included. That price was $179, new lower price $119. Next, we have a Makita 2-inch brad nailer, 18 gauge, air tool. That price was $89. The new lower price, $67. We have a Milwaukee M12 multi-tool. Was $199, now $100. This is a special buy kit. You're going to get the multi-tool, you're going to get one battery pack and 5 sanding pads and also a contractor bag. And the last thing we have here is going to be a Lincoln welder, a MIG Stig and TIG LE31. I am not a welder, but I have many friends that are, and a lot of them swear by Lincoln. This was $7.99, now $719.10. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.